Hi, 皆さんこんにちは。Welcome to Wright Juku Online. I'm your teacher, Sayaka. Today's lesson about the vocabulary めずらしい and まれ. This came from one of my students. He wasn't sure how to use those two because in English, these two words translated as rare. At the end of the video, you know how to use them correctly. それでは始めましょう。Alright, so when you learn vocabulary, you have to go through 3 steps. Step 1, what is the form of this vocabulary? Like the verb, the adjective, non-adjective, or noun, or adverb. Make sure that you know these things because that will tell you how to use it correctly. Second is the meaning. Go to the dictionary and find out the definition of each word. That will help you to distinguish when you encounter the similar vocabulary like today's 珍しい and まれ. The third is how to use. This might be a little bit challenging because you are not the native speaker. As a native speaker, we kind of get how to use it by feelings, or we kind of get it how to use it. In this case, I'm going to give you the example. You can use it as an alternative because some words are similar, and then I will show you the sentence that you cannot replace it. Alright, let's jump in. So, 珍しい is e adjective. So it goes like this. 珍しい、珍しくない、珍しかった、珍しくなかった。まれ is not adjective. So it goes like this. まれだ、まれじゃない、まれだった、まれじゃなかった。It's important to know the form so that you know how to use it in the sentence. Next is definitions. 珍しい has 3 definitions. One is めったにない. English, rare, variable. You cannot find it easily, that's why 珍しい. The second is 目新しい. Its meanings new to the world. Something appear in this world, we can say something is 珍しい. The third is 久しぶり, which means long time no see. What does it mean as a 珍しい is that some action or event did not happen for a long time, but you see it today, you can say, oh, 珍しい. On the other hand, 稀な is only one definition, which is そのことが起こるのが非常に少ない。非常 means とても少ない。めったに起こらない。In English, it's seldom. Something does not happen not so often. When you see the definition, you can see some meaning is overlap each other. That's why it's similar. But the one meaning is clearly different. Number 2, 珍しい. So when you use 珍しい as a new to the word, you cannot replace with 稀な. Next is how to use 使い方. 珍しい has 3 definitions, so we're gonna take a look example for each definition. Number 1 is rare. Rare goes with noun, 珍しい魚, 珍しい鳥, 珍しい design, which is easy, right? Because e adjective modify noun, you can use it in this way when the noun is rare or variable. The second, that means new to the world. Example, お掃除ロボットは珍しかった。でも今は珍しくない。Think about when the Roomba came out to the world. It was very new idea. That's why we can say 珍しかった。珍しかった。New idea to the world. 珍しい。Then it became normal, not surprising anymore, not new anymore. So we can say 今は珍しくない。That's a way to use 目新しい new to the world as 珍しい。Third is 久しぶり long time no see. It's translated as unusual also. For example, いつもズボンを履く女の子が 今日はスカートを履いている。Then you can say, 珍しいね。どうしたの？デート？ That means this girl usually wear pants, but today is wearing skirt. Also something unusual, then you can say 珍しいね。Let's take a look at 稀な。Do you remember 稀na's definition? It was more focusing on that the event does not happen so often. Example, 冬に台風が来ることは稀です。冬に台風が来ることは稀です。So we don't have typhoon during the winter. So it's like a rarely happens, seldom happen, having the typhoon in a winter season. Second, いつも元気な妹が落ち込むことは稀だ。いつも元気な妹が落ち込むことは稀だ。落ち込む is you feel down. Something happened that makes you feel sad or you are in low spirits. That's 落ち込む. So, in this case, my sister is always genki, but very rarely she gets depressed. But it's rare, so we can say いつも元気な妹が落ち込むことは稀だ。The third is 稀な is the not adjective, but if you want to modify the verb, you change not to に稀にすることがある。Example, 稀にアニメを見ることがある。That means like I don't watch anime, but occasionally, like very, very rare, I watch anime. 稀にアニメを見ることがある。You see the pattern for 稀 is that you use ことは稀です。ことは稀だ。稀にことがある。So 稀 it's kind of go with the verb that the things you do, the action is 稀. Alternative or not. 珍しい or 稀な noun, you can alternate, but 稀な go with こと、出来事 and 珍しい go with any nouns that is something rare. 台風が来ることは稀です。珍しいです。That's you can alternate because things is rare, seldom happen, so it's kind of the cover with the same meaning. お掃除ロボットは珍しかった。That is something new to the word you cannot replace with 稀な because 稀な does not have the definition of something new. いつも元気な妹が落ち込むことは稀だ。落ち込むことは珍しい。You can use both because it's kind of overlap rare situation. 稀にすることがある。You cannot replace with 珍しい。Because if you did replace it, 珍しいアニメを見ることがある。That's completely changed the meaning. It's saying rare anime you watch. So you cannot replace that. 珍しいね。どうしたの？デート？ Can we replace with 稀だね？ No, because 稀 doesn't have unusual or 久しぶり meanings. We cannot replace 珍しいね and 稀 in this case. That's all for today. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you like it, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will see you in the next lesson. また次のレッスンで会いましょう。Bye!